From the opening and blending processes, the open fiber tufts are transported to the first of what may be multiple cleaning machines or steps. The first cleaning machines are usually designed to be coarse cleaners. That is, they're designed to remove the larger and heavier trash particles. Fine cleaners will be found last in the cleaning line and just before carding. Cleaning machines use a number of very basic principles in order to accomplish their goal. The trash, or unwanted contents in the open tufts of fiber, are normally more dense and heavier than the good fiber. These principles take advantage of this. The machine's designs use gravity, centrifugal force, and airflow combined with some type of beating action. Usually, grid bars may be found under the beaters in most cleaning machines. The unwanted trash falls out between the bars and is sucked away to a central collection point. The grid bars can be adjusted to take out more or less trash depending on the fiber being used, the spinning process, and the end product requirements. State-of-the-art cleaning technology removes unwanted plastic contamination and large organic material from the fiber mass. A series of different cameras detect properties such as shininess, color, transparency, fluorescence, and shape that differ from natural cotton properties. A jet of air ejects the contamination from the moving tufts of cotton, which effectively removes types of contamination not easily removed by other cleaning methods. After opening and cleaning, the fiber is transported to the carding line. Before the fiber gets to the carding machine, it must be prepared for that process by going through bat formation. The bat former is more commonly known as a chute feed. The chute feed further opens the fiber tufts and forms a continuous, mat-like bat structure. This operation ensures that the carding process will receive a consistent weight of material in order that the output of the card will be as consistent and level as possible.